Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a few mistakes that every NEET PG aspirant should avoid by preparation. But before that, if you haven't yet watched my video on subject-wise approach and approach to grant tests, then go please watch it right now. Link is in description. If you find helpful, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. First mistake that we do is running behind multiple sources. Please don't run behind quantity. There are so many platforms out there in the market right now that हम आधे टाइम तो फोमो में ही रहते हैं. But believe me, सब में material almost same ही रहता है. It depends on how you utilize your resources. So just have faith in your notes and read them thoroughly. Second mistake that we do is not doing enough revisions. Guys, I hate to say this, but NEET PG is a memory based exam and most of the questions asked are fact based. जितना भी हम बोल दें कि clinical scenario based exam pattern है, but at the end of the question they will ask something which will test your memory. So to be able to recall that in the exam, it's important that you do multiple revisions. Third is making excuses to avoid grant tests. Guys, we always feel that we're not prepared enough and syllabus itna baki hai to kya hi grant test denge. But that is the biggest trap. Believe me, you will never be fully prepared to give a grant test. So stop making excuses and go and give that grant test. Don't forget to review the duty properly. बहुत बार एग्जाम देने के बाद 3-3.5 घंटे हम इतने मेंटली ड्रेन हो जाते हैं दैट वी मेक एक्सक्यूजेस कि रिव्यू कल परसों कर लेंगे एंड वो कभी भी नहीं होता. So please give the duty in the morning, take a 1 hour break and again sit back to review the duty on that day itself. Don't just review the incorrect questions, but if time permits, also see the correct ones because कई बार questions by fluke right हो जाते हैं and if asked again तो हम answer नहीं कर पाते. Another mistake that we do is not having a proper schedule and deadline so as to when to complete a particular subject and when to start with your revision. Guys, it's important that you have a mind map कि मुझे इस month तक अपना first reading खत्म करना है and when to start with my revision. We all procrastinate, but it's important that you make your routine having a few buffer days so that it gets adjusted. Also, don't be very attached to a particular subject कि मुझे मेडिसिन परसू करना है तो मैं 4 महीने मेडिसिन ही पढ़ते रहूँ. Act practical and there are a few minor subjects which can fetch you those extra marks and they don't take much of your time. Last but not the least, जो गलती हम सब करते हैं is not taking care of ourselves. To be able to crack this exam, you need to be in your full functionality, both mentally and physically. So it's important that you take proper sleep, have healthy meals and don't forget to take proper breaks in between. It's important to reward yourself with that one good movie or one good outing once in a while. If you ever feel low, then sit with your family or some of your close friends and have that half an hour break and then get back to study. This exam is important because we dedicate 1 or more years of our life to this and we all are in it to win it. But realize that this exam does not decide your worth. You may feel it's easy for me to say this now that I'm on the other side, but I have been there guys and it will not always be rosy. You may feel कि hard work के बाद भी आपको as expected results ना मिले because some things are not in our hands. हमारे हाथ में है कर्म करना, so हम वही करेंगे. It might be very spiritual of me to say this, but it's rightly said कि कर्म करो और फल की चिंता मत करो. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope that whatever little experience I have gained, I was able to convey to you guys in a right way. I hope it was helpful. If you find this video helpful, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.